Happy Friday, hunters! In last week's video blog, we approached the idea of changing it up or going in and trying to get out of old habits by taking a different route to work, getting up at a different time in the morning, and a bunch of other things. And I was pleased that I got amazing comments back and emails letting me know, and in one case where someone, by changing it up and by doing something they normally wouldn't have done with their kids that weekend, ended up, as luck would have it if you believe in luck, meeting that perfect person out, and then they set up a key meeting they'd been trying to get for months. All an example of changing it up or gaining new perception. In this week's video blog, I want to talk to you about awareness. You see, in hunting, the more that we raise our awareness, the more data that is relevant we are able to pick up. When we approach situations with an open mind and with true awareness, we retain so much more. So your action step this week is that when you're in a meeting, if you're in a conversation with your wife or husband or friend, try going into it and be more present. But the way to be more present is to pay more attention to the smells that might be in the room, to the energy someone's putting off when they're talking to you, to their body language. Did you notice a tree swaying in the background behind them? When we notice things like this, we are in a state of being more aware, which gets us closer to that state of predatory consciousness, which we're going to get to together. So this week, let's focus on being more aware and let's max it out, baby.